Commercial road transport vehicles are now being powered by advanced computer-controlled diesel engines, which provide the power, fuel economy and emissions control demanded by today's road users. The vehicles are usually the most critical part of a road transport business, and in many cases, fuel and vehicles will be the largest items of a business's operating costs. Shell FuelSave diesel is designed to help save fuel. To see how this works, let's take a look inside this truck and even inside the engine itself. High-pressure unit injectors or common rail direct injection now ensure optimal fuel delivery into the combustion chamber. This modern technology has superseded mechanically controlled fuel injection, characteristic of vehicles produced in the 1980s. Fuel is injected through tiny injector nozzle holes that atomize the fuel into a fine mist that burns cleanly and efficiently. This high-speed, accurate fuel delivery is the key to modern engine performance, giving the quieter, cleaner power which we now enjoy. But what can happen to the injector nozzles that have been running on regular diesel? Let's take a look inside an engine cylinder. Here we see the holes coated with dirt and carbon created in the combustion process. In this case, the fuel spray formation is impaired, leading to a fall-off in performance, increased fuel consumption and emissions, and in extreme cases, the generation of black smoke. We've measured the effects of nozzle deposits in engine tests and road vehicles and found up to 5% loss in performance and an increase in fuel consumption. Shell FuelSave diesel contains a powerful detergent that's designed to control injector nozzle deposits by preventing them building up on metal surfaces. Here we see injector nozzle holes that have been kept clean by the Shell FuelSave diesel formulation. In this case, the optimum fuel spray pattern is maintained, giving efficient and complete combustion. So what does this mean for the driver? Here we see two trucks. One truck running on clean injectors and a second truck running with injectors on which deposits have been allowed to develop. These deposits can occur to different levels, but Shell FuelSave diesel is formulated to help prevent these deposits to keep the engine close to optimum condition. In the case we see here, close to 100% engine performance is still available to the first truck driver because his engine is running with clean, effective injector nozzles. The driver of the other truck is not so fortunate. Only around 95% engine performance is available to him because his engine is running on dirty, fouled injector nozzles. This, of course, often leads to a loss in fuel economy. Shell fuel scientists have actually measured the effect of dirty injectors using a severe engine test. Here you can see this engine's fuel consumption has increased by around 3% compared with the one running on the Shell FuelSave diesel formulation. We've also taken measurements in real time using our remarkable dual-fuel demonstrator vehicle. This truck has been modified so that the whole engine can be switched between two diesel fuels, or each half of the engine can be simultaneously run on a different diesel fuel. This means that using the same engine, driver and road conditions, we can demonstrate the power, fuel economy and emissions of Shell diesel fuels. Now let's move on to how Shell FuelSave diesel is formulated to protect your vehicle's fuel system from corrosion. Zooming in at microscopic level on the surface of a pipe wall, we can see individual corrosion inhibitor molecules. The polar head part of the molecule attaches to the metal surface, while the tail stays in the fuel phase. This stable configuration that Shell FuelSave diesel is designed to produce provides a protective barrier to corrosive attack. But just look at what can happen with regular diesel fuels. With no protective barrier, water and oxygen can react with the pipe to form rust. Now let's take a look at refueling. Diesel has a natural tendency to produce foam, which takes up tank space and slows down the refueling process. Shell FuelSave diesel is formulated to control foaming. With less foam, each tank fill should be faster and cleaner, with less risk of spillage. Just see how rapidly the foam dissipates in this tank. New engine designs and controls, coupled with advanced fuels like Shell FuelSave diesel, specially formulated to help deliver improved fuel economy, have heralded a new era for the diesel engine. Shell FuelSave diesel, designed to protect your engine from injector nozzle deposits and fuel system corrosion to help keep your vehicle performing exactly as the manufacturer intended.